They are not functioning anymore, sir.
Okay.
So we have written.
February, no? Okay. I'll just take video from the side. Do they have video from the side? Very nice.
They need ambulance and the building in that way.
The girls' hostel. In front of us is the school building, and then we have.
First of all, would like to thank all of you for coming here for this short program where we have come to see the work of this EMRS. I'm happy to inform you that the work is going on very well, and we expect that by 31st of March and early April we should be able to complete the civil work and the building work, and I'm hoping that we should be able to start the academic year by next year itself, so that the children can start getting education out here in this AMRS school. So I would like to once again thank the contractors and all the officials for the dedicated work that they have shown, and once again would like to reiterate that this work should finish by March end 2026.